Welcome to Soo Locks Campground in Sault Saint Marie, Michigan. This was our first time here, and I didn't know what to expect, but I was very pleasantly surprised. This campground had quite a few more sites than you would think for a small area, and many of them are right on the river. Others have a nice view from a little bit of elevation back from the river. I think anybody coming here would probably enjoy this. The facilities are nice, they're well taken care of. Bathrooms are not brand new by any means, but they were clean and very usable. You can see there's quite a few campers here. This is a weekday, so it did fill up more on the weekend, but this place has the best view of any incoming freighters going through the locks. You can't see the locks from here, but we were able to ride our bikes down to the locks, which is only about a mile to the west of here. This campground does have boat slips, or at least boat docks. It does not have a way to launch a kayak here. That would be one negative, but there is a piece of city property right next door where you would be able to easily launch a kayak. And if you put them in a truck like we did, there's multiple places with actual, plastic kayak launches along the river here. So kayaking is not a problem, but you probably won't be able to do it by just walking from the campsite to the river. It appears as though there are some seasonal occupants here. Nothing unusual. All the rigs were very nice, up to date and clean. Didn't see anything that would lead you to believe that anybody was not taking care of things. Looking straight ahead here, you can sort of see the boat harbor, so to speak. There's basically a dock on each side of that. You could tie up quite a few boats. So if you want to bring a small fishing boat, I would not be worried about dock space. There's plenty of that. I did see a couple boats tied up in there, but that was about it. A lot of fishing boats go by here. I don't know what is fished for in the St. Mary's River. I did see some outriggers on a boat, so maybe they're going for salmon. I'm really not sure. So the city property I was talking about is just to the left of this drive that dead ends before it gets to the road. So again, you'd have to leave the park, walk down the sidewalk, and walk down the other piece of city property to get to where you could launch a kayak. But if kayaking is not important, it's no worries. That's the only negative I could think of for the whole time at this campground. Campground does offer laundry and shower facilities, as well as the typical dump station that you would see at most campgrounds. Uh, Small store and little cafe. Uh, Very nice. Appears to maybe be family run, and didn't see any reason everybody wouldn't love to stay here. One little note to be aware of, you would want to make reservations early. As you can see, this campground gets pretty full. Remember, this is a weekday. And when you do make reservations, you will have to call. They do not have an online reservation system. I called in January and had to wait for a return call because they were closed for the winter season.